Hello everyone, my name is Neeru. I am your computer educator. I welcome you all to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. Today in this video, we will start our next chapter, chapter number 4, Editing Tools of Word Processor. Let's start it. What is editing tool? Basically, MS Word provides some tools so that we can do easily, we can modify our pages, we can easily do any type of modification. So Microsoft Word is a word processing software. As we know, MS Word is a word processing software. So it offers a variety of page layout and editing option. Page layout means the way to show our page, the style of our page. So it offers a variety of page layout and editing option. So these options help you to customize your page settings. Customize means how we can change our settings. The some settings are default settings of the document. If we want to do any type of changes, for example, I want to increase or decrease the margin from left side of the document, from top side, from right, from bottom, so any type of these type of editing we can do by using the options of MS Word. So today in this video we will discuss about header and footer and how we can insert it in our document. Header, like in our body, head is the topmost part of the body and foot is the bottommost part of the body. And same like that, in the document, header is the section of the document located at the top margin of every page. You can see in this picture by rectangular box I have shown to you. This is the top margin of this page. So this is the header part of your page. So whatever we write in the header section, that will come on every page of the document. That will come on each and every page of the document. Next is footer. As I have already told you, like in our body, foot is the bottommost part. Same like that, footer is the section of the document located at the bottom margin of every page. You can see here in this rectangular box, this is the bottommost part of the page. So header and footers are useful for including the materials that you want to appear on every page of a document. Whatever you will write in the header section, that will display on every page of the document, and same like that footer also. Basically it is used to write the name, write the title of the document, page number, etc. As you can see in your books also, at the bottommost side of the page there is page number 1 2 3. That is the footer section of the page. So how we add header or footer? The simplest method is go to the insert tab. When you will click on the insert tab, there is header and footer, and you can see here many predefined styles are here. By clicking on any one option, you just insert header and footer. Now we will do it practically, how we can insert it. Now we are doing practically how to insert header and footer. There are basically two options, two methods to insert header and footer. First one method is just double click on this top area, or you can say top margin of the page. You can use any page. You can see here in this document, you can see there are total 7 number of pages. Now we are on 6 number page. So we can go to any page and just double click on the top margin. Where is the top margin? You can see here. I am just putting here one rectangular box. This is our top margin of the page. Clear? So what we will do, just double click on this area. What we will do, just double click on the top margin of any page. When we will double click on it, you can see here header and footer tools are here, and under the header and footer tools you can see design tab is here. So by using the design tab you can provide any header or footer. For example, I want to write it as a BPS. Here, according to our requirement, we can change our header or footer. There are the different ones. You can write it anything, whatever you want to write. This is the one method. And the second method is how to start the header and footer. I'm just closing it. You can see whatever header and footer I have given, that is applied to all pages of the document. You can see on every pages the same header is here. I have given only header. So one method is by just double click on the top margin of your page, and the second method is click on insert ribbon. Firstly click on insert ribbon. When we will click on insert tab or ribbon, then you will see one header and footer group is here. One header and footer group is here. Under the header and footer group, you can see header and footer options are also available. According to our requirement, we can just go to the header part to write for the header. If you want to write it in the footer, footer means the bottommost part of the every page. So if I want to write footer, just click to the footer. You can see here many footer styles are here. If you want to take a blank footer, means you want to write yourself, then you will choose blank footer. So you can see the bottommost part of the page, you can see here. Now footer is here. According to your requirement, you can write it. For example, if I want to write today's date, so I'm just writing here. Yes. So you can see here, this footer is now applied to every pages. I am showing to you. This is the footer part of first page. Here. And same like that you can see in the second page also. Whatever header I have given, that is coming in the header part. Whatever footer I have given, that is coming in the footer part. So if you want to do any changes in the footer part, go to the footer and then go to edit footer. I am clicking on the edit footer. So cursor is here. Whatever you want to write it, you can write it here. Whatever you want to write it, that will be added in all pages of the document. You can see here, that will be added in all pages of the document. If you want to take any other header or footer, just go to that part. For example, I want to write the page number also. You can see here in the alphabet which format it will come. You can type the text here and the page number will come at the right side. And same like that you can see, if you want to display like that, you can choose this one. So there are the different ones. So according to your requirement you can choose. For example, I want to take this one. So you will see at the footer of the page number will come. So this is our page number 1. So you can see in the footer area, page 1 will come. Page 1 will come, you can see here. And when I will go to the second page, then automatically page 2 will come. Page 2, page 3, same like that it will come. If you want to remove header area or footer area, footer part, if I want to remove the header, I will go to the header and I will choose the option remove header. Then automatically you can see from all pages header have been removed. You can see here this page, next one also. Every pages you can see header is not here. Again, if you want to take it, go to the header, choose the style. You can see here. Firstly, I have given the SRBPS title. If you want to change it here, you can change. In the year, just choose the year. Now, if you want to choose the current year, choose the year. Here. So, according to your requirement, there are the different headers. So, according to your requirement, you can take it. If you want to take the complete date, clear everyone? So if you want to increase the header area, you can increase from here. If you want to decrease it, you can decrease it. Same like that. Footer area for decreasing this arrow and for increasing this arrow will be clear. So by using this method, we can do it. If we want to remove, just we will click on the header. If you want to remove the header, if you want to insert any picture, anything, any clip art, just click on it. For example, I want to put here any clip. So just write it and then click to go. That picture will be displayed on the header section of the pages. You can see it is coming on the first whole pages, the header part. So you can see here. Okay. So by using this method, we can apply header and footer. When we double click on it on the text, then automatically you can see now we are in header part. Whatever we want to write it, we can write. But when we double click on the text area, you can see here now header and footer tools are not here, not visible. When it will be visible? When you will double click on either header part or footer part. When you double click on the header part or footer part, you can see header and footer tools are here, and in the design tab, all the options are here. Here, if you want to close it, just close the header and footer tool or double click on the text. So this is header and footer. Thank you everyone. We will continue this chapter in the next.